Are we the only ones out there? Scientists and the general public have been stumped by this question for hundreds of years. Unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, have been seen in Mexico recently, which has brought back interest in this strange phenomenon. Experts are looking into this strange occurrence because the number of reports of sightings has gone up dramatically. But what was actually seen in Mexico? And what do the experts think about these reports? Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will figure out what's going on with these recent events. On January 24, 2017, it was a normal evening in Mexico City. Several webcams showed live streams of the country's national monuments and cultural heritage. But what they caught that day was nothing like anything they had seen before. From the top of Popocatépetl volcano, it looked like a small light shot up into the sky. It then grew into a glowing orb and rose higher and higher. And it wasn't just something that happened once. On different days, other cameras that were pointed at the volcano caught the same glowing orbs at different times. What were these things, and how did they fit together? Patty Contreras, who is in charge of digital strategy for Webcams de Mexico, was just as confused as the rest of us. Some people say it was a UFO or something bad. UFO sightings are common in Mexico, especially near the active Popocatépetl volcano, where many are reported every year. But why do UFOs like to hang out near volcanoes? Journalist MJ Banias says it could be because these unknown objects use volcanoes to hide and get power. Some people think that the heat that volcanoes give off attracts UFOs, while others think that the cracks in the volcanoes give these strange craft a place to hide and refuel. Some people think that the large vent on one side of Popocatépetl volcano, which often spews out hot ash and lava, is a way for UFOs that use the volcano as a base to get in and out. From March to May 2021, state cameras caught 7 flashing lights above the volcano, which made people wonder where they came from. Are these lights natural, or do they show that there is activity from other planets? When it comes to UFO sightings, it's always hard to figure out what's real and what's not. Rich Hoffman is an expert who has talked about the UFO that was seen over Mexico City recently. As an experienced UFO researcher, he has looked at the video of the bright light seen over the city and decided that it wasn't a real UFO. Hoffman says that if it were a real UFO, people all over the city would have told us about it. But because nobody else saw anything strange that day, he thinks it was just a ball of light coming from the volcano. What's happening? Let's examine the clues to see what's going on. Hoffman thinks light and location are significant clues. Puebla International Airport is to the right of the camera, and planes must turn on their landing lights below 10,000 feet. Airplanes rarely use landing lights. Instead, they are activated during takeoff and descent. Hoffman used a city map and arithmetic to support his theory. He thought the light was from the airport, which was 6.5 miles away. As it took 55 seconds to arrive right above the webcam, he estimated it was flying at 425 miles per hour, the average commercial plane speed. Hoffman employed flight radar to track the airport's air activity and determined that an aircraft bound for Cancun took off around his theory. History Channel analyst Mark D'Antonio wondered if the volcano's embers were the shimmering orbs in the footage. Nonetheless, the video's objects remained brilliant for a long time, which is unusual for embers. Orbs' origins are unknown. The video's floating, glowing orbs may have been generated by the camera coming close to a light source like an insect. They don't glow like fireflies because they fly. If the orbs are real, Mark D'Antonio believes they're unlike anything he's seen in nature. Hoffman proved the exploding light was an airplane, but the video's luminous orbs are still a mystery. Strange phenomena have been seen in the same way near volcanoes worldwide, proving this is true. Even if some of the unusual phenomena witnessed near El Popo may be explained, folks should nevertheless watch out for more. Another UFO photo shows a UFO flying over the Club Juarez soccer stadium. A fan took the photo at a Tijuana Xolos game. A flying saucer-like dark dot appears. FC Juarez tweet the photo and tagged Mexico's most famous ufologist, Jamie Maussan. Maussan examined the photo with AI. Because it's smooth, dark, and almond-shaped, Mawson thinks it's a ship of non-human origin. Mawson tweeted, "AA equipment examined the case, and everything leads to a UAP, or unidentified abnormal phenomenon. These shadowy ships are called ghost by Kiev scientists. With all this, I assume it's a ship that wasn't developed by people," he added. The US military now calls UFOs unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP. Ukrainian astronomers have spotted scores of weird objects over Kyiv. UFO sightings add intrigue to Ukraine's war. The sky is usually full of planes. However, military officials and Anonymous said an unidentified item crashed in Rostov. After being described as a little ball-shaped object flying 1.5 kilometers, military officers destroyed it. A group of fishermen caught a 100-kilogram life form during a storm in 2007. The odd creature was photographed with a cell phone. It sounded alien to the fishermen. Komsomolskaya Pravda even claimed they ate the extraterrestrial before anyone could verify their account. One fisherman stated it was his favorite meal. That was probably a sturgeon or gutterfish. A soldier was filming himself when he observed a strange flying object. This item was only visible when the video was slowed down. Therefore, some thought it wasn't a plane or a technological glitch. The object's perfect circle shape made the story more appealing. A week before, Ukrainian scientists reported seeing fleets of unfamiliar, fast-moving aircraft. Some felt the soldier had accidentally filmed one of these devices after seeing photographs of them online. Scientists using meteor cameras observed these unusual objects moving at tens of thousands of miles per hour without a sonic boom. Experts believe these particles are doing something novel to travel so rapidly without a sonic boom. This was impossible before. That's it for today. We hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share and press the bell icon for more regular updates.